Hey guys, it's time for another Keyfactor video on using REST API with a UI tool called Postman, and I'm the Sven. Here we are again. Let's hop right into this. We're going to start out in the CLI over here, and I'm over in my community videos. I'm going to make a directory called REST Postman. We'll use this for the housekeeping of where the certs will go that we'll enroll with. So cd over into this directory here. And then we're going to create a OpenSSL comp file that we're going to use to generate our CSR with. So we can see that we've got the subject alt name and our DN again, like we did with the other video for creating the search with REST API using Python and curl. All right, we'll generate an elliptic curve key, our P256. Let's take a look at the file. So we have our key in the comp file at this point. Now we can go ahead and generate our CSR. So we'll make that. Now at this point, we can get ready to list these and see that we've got all three files. And then we're going to grab the public or the CSR like this, and we're going to make it into one long string that we'll end up using in the post command we'll do up here. So now we've got Postman up here. I'm going to disappear out so we can take a look at this. So from Postman, what we need to end up doing is going in and setting it up to be able to connect to EJBCA. What that means is we'll have to add a CA cert, and we'll use our P12 to authenticate up to it. So first we can go ahead and click on over here, and then we're going to select our management CA certificate file that we had. So we've got that over in the community video directory here. So we'll select the management CA.pem. We'll open that up. And then next we need to go over and add certificates. We'll put in the server name, which is the EJBCA-node1. And then we're going to select our P12 file now. So we'll use our superadmin P12 for this. And then we'll put in the passphrase, the foo123, and we can click add. And there, we can close this out. So now we're ready to connect up with REST. So the next we're going to do is add a new connection up here. So we'll call this the EJBCA REST test. Click on that. We're going to add a new request to it. And then we're going to call this the PKCS10 enroll. We're going to change the method over there to post. And then we're going to put in our URL for the server and use the PKCS10 enroll as well. We need to go over to headers now, and we have to set two of them over here that we need on this one. So we've got the content type, and we're going to set this to that guy right there, the application JSON. All right, we're going to uncheck the accept one, and we're going to put a different return value. So we'll add accept over here. And oh, we just need accept. There we go. Okay. And same thing for application JSON. Once we got those two headers set, now we can actually go over to the body. We're going to change the body to raw, and we're going to paste in this JSON blob like this. So same thing with, the identity profile, cert profile, the username. We're just going to give it a password. We're throwing away foo123, return the chain true. And then from the terminal window, we need to hop over there, and we're going to grab that string of the CSR that we catted out to the screen. So we'll grab that whole string there with the 5 dashes to the end 5 dashes. Paste that in the little quotes right there. Excellent. And then we're going to go to send that up. Boom, we got a cert back. That easy. Let's go and take a look at that cert. So we're going to use that serial number, and we're going to vim with the serial number dot cert, and then we're going to paste the cert contents into this guy. So we copy all of that blob right there, and we're going to paste that in. Actually, we got to add our 5 dashes, the begin certificate, and then 5 dashes. Those are all in caps. Then we'll paste that blob below that. So paste, there we go, hit enter, and 5 more dashes, end space certificate, and 5 more dashes. And then we can save and close that file. And now we'll do a list so we can see that we have the serial number with the cert file, and then we can parse that. So use OpenSSL, parse that certificate, and there we go. We have another certificate using Postman with REST. We just saw how easy it is to enroll for a certificate with REST using Postman. If you have any questions or comments, leave it down below and we're happy to answer them. And we look forward to showing you the next video we do with EJBCA and the Keyfactor community. Take care.